Welcome to the Repeat Rewards learning channel. Today we'll be going over how to order a direct mail piece on the merchant site. Once logged into the merchant website using the credentials given, on the sidebar, first click Marketing, then click Direct Mail, and then it'll bring you to an available campaign screen. First is reoccurring. These are events that are reoccurring, such as anniversaries, birthdays, welcomes, a lost customer campaign, and stuff like that. Next is the events. From this page, you can see different holidays, such as Memorial Day, Cinco de Mayo, Halloween, Labor Day, and other campaigns like that. And the holiday that's coming up soonest will show up at the top of the page. Now for industry-specific templates, we have restaurant, hardware, pharmacy, and pizza, and retail. And if you click into one of those, you can just see a bunch of different templates for that industry specifically. Next is on demand. On demand is if you want to set up a campaign to go out on a specific time, and then you can also choose from the templates shown here. Now we will actually go into the process of how to order an event. In this instance, I'm going to scroll down to the category of holiday. I'm going to click on the category, and it's going to show you a bunch of different templates within that category that you can choose from. For this purpose, I'm just going to choose the one at the top. If you want a preview of a larger view of the screen, you can click the actual image, and then to place the order, click Order this design. From here, you have some choices of different criteria that you can choose. You can choose what kind of postcard, including size, if you want full color on the front and back, or grayscale. You can also choose if you're a multi-location merchant, you can choose if you want to send it to a specific location or all. Next, you can choose the delivery option, so standard or first class mail. And then from the schedule, you can choose select an in-home date that you want the actual offers to go to your members. If you have any additional communication offers, or if you want to list the offer that you want to be given, say a $5 off your next purchase, you can do so by typing in the offer in the communication offer box. Then you can choose if you want to set an expiration date. So for this example, we're going to choose 30 days. And then you can type in a disclaimer. And then next is variable text. This could be if you want to list your hours of operation, if you want to list any additional offers, or any other items that you want to additionally add to the postcard, you can list here. Next, you can choose if you want to send it to loyalty members only, or if you have a customer list, you can send it to those as well, or both. For this scenario, we're going to choose loyalty members only. And if you want a criteria of which loyalty members will get this offer, you can do so by typing in what you want the criteria to be. In this case, we are going to go off the top 500 members based off dollars spent in 2018. Next is the additional services available area. This is if you want a voice broadcast announcement to go with the offer, you can choose so. If you want to include this mailing not to go to suspended members, you can do so here. And then also, if you do want a UV coating on the postcard, you can choose so here. And we highly recommend this because it will save the postcard from the sun, and it will look a lot better. If you have any other additional notes, you can list it in the communication notes area. Then type in your name and the best way that we can reach you. And then check the box to indicate your authorization of the above order and click Submit. You will get a successful message that your order has been submitted, and an account manager will contact you as soon as possible to discuss the mailing. Thank you for watching the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call at 866-268-4958 or email in to merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.